Never let someone else's opinion of you become your reality. You know why?
Birds in the sky. There's birds in the sky. You're not alone. You gotta have faith and don't doubt. Ain't no need to cry. Be strong and courageous. Just look up. There's birds in the sky.
Don't be anxious about your life, overthinking in your mind. Stay cool, take your time, go so learn to fly. Be brave, survive no matter how tough the strive. Push past them haters, keep moving with the drive.
I can see the sunrise, and now I see birds in the sky.
What's good? This is DJ King Judah the cartoonist with another animation. Comment down below what you want me to sing and animate in the next video. Like and subscribe. If you're brand new to the channel, let's get it, my kings and queens. Listen. Guess what? The girl that's in the cartoon is actually a book publisher. Birds in the Sky. Coming out. It's dropping this month. Get your tickets for an upcoming book signing in Hollywood, California. The first 100 people that comment on the cartoon, we got a special gift for you. The first 100, okay? A special gift for you. Can't tell you what it is, but it's special. The winners will be announced on June 11th. I'll see you then.
Dad is not here anymore and I don't know why. When I look at his picture, it makes me sad inside. They said to me, my daddy died. When I heard that, it made me cry. Before I fall asleep, I hold my pillow tight. I close my eyes and say my prayers. At night, in my dreams, I see a bright light. Someone says to me, everything will be alright. I wake up to go to school. I get all the answers right. The other kids tease me. Now I want to fight.